going to address the ills of society now, especially itong corruption. And we're going to just be like Venezuela. Lagi kong binabasa yun yung sa Nigeria, what happened to Nigeria, what happened to Venezuela. These are very rich countries. Pero because of massive corruption, wala. One of the poorest countries in the world. Maski na ano pa yung gawin natin, pagandahin natin yung education, bigyan natin ng magandang upbringing yung mga kabataan ngayon. Pero once na nag-collapse ang ating economy because of this, the impact of this, negative impact of this corruption, it will impact also their lives. Kaya kailangan aksyonan na natin ngayon. Now that I am in a position of influence, I need to do something about it. Pwede naman akong makapagdulot ng pagbabago. Siguro makakontribute ako kahit papaano, maliit lang sa pagbabago. So I'm not going to miss this opportunity. Kaya nga lagi kong binabanggit na wala naman akong planong tumakbo sa any national position. Gusto ko lang talaga yung pagbabago ng sistema natin.